Alrighty. Welcome to Puddle Jumpers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is going to be on my Redcat Everest 10. I just got it like 2 weeks ago. I've run it a couple times and the tires are okay, but I thought I could do better. So I've watched some videos and everything I've seen is great on these deep woods 2.2s, and they're a little bit bigger tire, but I think they're going to work great. You know, they're the CRC3 compound by Duratrax. So I ordered them up and we're going to change them out here, do a little tire upgrade. I already opened that one up, and they come with get this down. They come with sticker too, each one. I'll probably use the bottom stickers here. That'd probably be it. You know, maybe these. I don't know. We'll see. I think they'll look cool on the truck. Let me open up this other one. I was a little excited earlier and I opened up that first one when I first got them so I could check them out. Tire size wise compared to these stock ones. I got them with already mounted on the rims. I like the chrome look with the black backing on them a little bit. So they look pretty cool. But alright, let's get started here. Take me a tire off here. I watched a couple videos on these, and all the videos I watched, the tires, the guy that had them, they look like they fit right on there, and they look like they really worked real well. I'm going to get that sucker started. Let's see here. Not cooperating. There we go. Now it looks like it's lit on. Start here. See if I got that on there. I got it sitting on there, right? Don't feel too bad right there, but this is the difference once you get them on there. Big difference. Not quite as wide, but they're a lot taller. I think it's going to really help this truck out. Alright, so let's get the other front. on there. And this one's gonna go on there. Keep them all direct. Keep them going in the right direction because they're directional tires. Can't see very well, so bear with me. Feels like it might have went on there. Get my screw here. Whoop. Oh. Hang on. Big difference. All right, let's try the backs here. This one's gonna go right here. So we'll use one of these old tires. Maybe we'll use two of them. There we go. Get us up in the air a little bit. One off. That one. Move this stuff over here. Hopefully you guys can see good. Pull this last one off. And we got the last one right here. So, this one on. There we go. Wow, big difference. Now I may want to move the links forward and backwards, the rear links back one and these forward one, depending on how she runs. I don't know. We'll see how the overall balance of the truck is and the weight distribution. I want to try to keep the weight down low, but I don't know if it'll affect it that much. But we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, they look a lot better, I think. I think the truck's going to perform a lot better. It's a good truck. A little slow, but it's a crawler. It's not made for really heavy trailing, but I may upgrade and go to a 35 turn motor. I think that what's in it, it may be like a 50 turn or something like that. It's a 540 motor, so we'll see. But thanks for watching, and keep RCing, man.